So we're gonna get straight into this video. I hate to waste y'all time, so let's get started. So we're gonna take a spray bottle and we're gonna spray the perimeter of your hair. Don't spray too much because you don't want, but if you're natural, it'll curl like up a lot, so just spray enough. Okay. Then we're gonna take one of these brushes and we're gonna brush everything to the top. The screws that crunch, I got to wash my hair. So next we're gonna take the Shine and Jam. You can find it at your local beauty supply store for like $4.99. And I'm gonna put that around like the perimeter. And you only need about this much for the front and this much for the back. So okay, you can see how the back looks nice and sleek. You can see the front. All right, so next we're gonna take our olive oil Eco Styler gel. I got this size because I use a lot of this. So we're gonna take some of that and put that on the perimeter as well. You can use like this amount for the back and that amount for the front. I'm gonna burp y'all because I be talking so fast. Okay, see the back. Yeah, we're gonna put some in the front. Okay. So next what you want to do is you want to take a hard bristle brush, like it's hard. So you want to get one of these, also from the beauty supply store. And we're going to brush until everything is smooth, like this in the back. And we're going to do the same for the front. Just brush everything up. So there's no lumps. And until everything is smooth. Okay. I got a little peanut head, so don't mind that. Okay. Then we're going to take our ponytail holder and we are going to put this in a ball at the top of our head. Make sure you hold it tight so that it stays together and tight in a ball. Okay, so if your bun is this big, because like I have, my hair is kind of long, but not really. So if you have this kind of bun and it's like you feel like it's too big, you can take another scrunchie and kind of like, how can I explain it? Take another scrunchie and tie that around it. So the bun is not like super big. See how I did that? It's a little bit smaller. Okay. So I'm gonna take, you can get any kind of curl pattern you want, but I got the Bohemian curl. I don't have the actual package it came in, but it's the Bohemian curl, 18-inch, and I cut like half of the pack of the tracks because I don't want a small bun. Like I want my bun to be a good size. So you're gonna need like, you know, a good length. So we're gonna take a closed bobby pin. Pay attention because you don't want to miss this part. So you see how the end of the track starts right here? Like the end of the track right here. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this like that. See how I did that? Like just slide it in the track like that. So it looks like that, okay? So then we're going to take the part that we bobby pin on the track and we're going to stick it kind of place like right here. Okay, so at this point you should have this, but don't let the track drop all the way because like it might slide out. So you want to do it like that. Okay, excuse me y'all, I got like allergies. So we're going to take the track and we're going to wrap it around our little Flintstone bun. Okay, so you're going to keep doing this until you get to the other end of the track. Okay, so just keep wrapping it around and kind of even it out as you go. That way, like it can be even all the way around. So, all right. So just wrap it. Keep wrapping, like all the way. Keep going until the track is at the other end. Little tangle right here, so and I need to actually get some new bun hair because I've been wearing this hair out. So as you can see, it's kind of frizzy, but it's gonna give me an even more natural look because you know when you first buy like hair, it looks too weavy, like too weavish. That's a new word, too weavish. Check out my nails. Ain't they cute, y'all? Okay, so you see how I wrapped it all the way till I got to the other end of the track? So let me grab a open. I'm gonna grab a opened bobby pin. You could use a closed one too, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So this is a closed bobby pin. I like to use these when I want something like really secure. But since we're gonna pin this end kind of into our bun, we want it to be kind of open. That way it sticks in there. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but okay, so I'm just going to bobby pin it in there. Okay, so now it's in there. Okay, so you want to bring all the hair forward like this. You want to bring all the hair forward. Okay, so once you have all the hair forward, you give it a slight twist, like twist it kind of not too tight, right? Then see how we're forming that bun as we go. So you want to keep twisting it around. And I like my buns kind of messy, so I'm not going to have it like too, you know, like too perfect. So let me get my pins. Pin it. I'm gonna place one right here. You can use like 8 or 9 bobby pins depending on if you want a messy look or not. Okay, girl, let's do that all over. Okay, so my bobby pin rejected, so now I gotta go back and do it again. Okay, because my bobby pins wanted to act crazy. Like, y'all ain't acting right today. Okay, I'll fix that up there. So just pin it. I'm gonna pin it in the back. Sorry, I use my teeth because I can't get these open with these nails. Okay, so you get the concept, right? So yeah, but let me fix this. See. Okay, like I said, you don't want this style to be like perfect because then it's gonna look, you know, kind of fake. So as you can see, hold on, let me place my. Okay, so as you can see, it should look like this, okay? Y'all, my tripod is not cooperating today. Like, get it together. Like, we can't be doing that. So it should look kind of like this. And your bun is not gonna look exactly like mine, but that's okay. You know, we all got our personalities with the hairs or whatever. So you get the concept though. So I'm leaving my bun like this because I don't want it to be too perfect. So then we're gonna get to these edges. And we're gonna use this right here. But I got a trick for y'all. So if you don't want your edges flaking up, and I like to use a toothbrush, a regular toothbrush. So I'm gonna, the trick is to avoid flaky edges. So I'm going to put some water on this first. So I wet it a little bit, and then I like to put it on my hand right here. That way I'm not just slapping it all on my head. Okay. So now I'm doing this in the camera, so I'm not using a mirror or nothing, so just bear with me so I can create my edges. Okay, so that's good enough for me. I like to get my sideburns too, just a little bit. If I'm breathing hard, y'all, please forgive me because I've been struggling with these allergies and this weather. It's raining right now. Okay, that'll do. So I just wanted to show y'all how to do this bun. And if you want to, you can you know, put your own twist to your edges, because like sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. And like this one is not trying to be on the flick. Like, no, get in there. But yes, you guys, so all you do is just finish your edges. I had a phone call, my boyfriend called me, so I'm so sorry. But just finish, you know, just finish doing your edges. And that's pretty much it. I didn't use a scarf to lay anything down because with that Gorilla Snot, it's going to pretty much like keep your edges in place. So use that and you'll be good. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And I know y'all are digging my lashes, my eyeshadow, my brows, and my little shimmer, whatever it is. So yeah, I can do you some tutorials on how to create this look as well as other looks. Just comment below if y'all have any questions. And like I said, this is my first video. So just subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms, Kiera_Shantae. I will provide in the description my social media name as well as the products that I use to achieve this look. So whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis.